Tennis icon Emma Raducanu will unveil the Fabulous World of Dior in London, which is Dior's most significant in-store partnership to date. Dior, which is housed by luxury brand conglomerate, will set up a sensory treat as part of its grandest in-store takeover at Harrods in London. The festive installation will be unveiled on November 10, 2022, ahead of the holiday season, and can be viewed until January 3, 2023. Emma Raducanu, the brand ambassador for Dior, will officially inaugurate the collaboration during the ribbon-cutting ceremony, along with the CEO of Dior, Pietro Beccari. Emma Raducanu was roped in by the French luxury fashion house as its ambassador in October 2021, shortly after the teenager's historic success at the 2021 US Open, which saw her become the first qualifier to ever win a Grand Slam in the Open era. Speaking about endorsing the brand, the 2021 US Open champion reasoned that Dior's creative director Maria Grazia's vision influenced her decision. Maria Grazia's work empowers women to feel confident in the iconic Dior cut, which I feel is very unique. The sincerity of her approach and the way she turns shows into collective and meaningful events unquestionably influenced me in my choice, Raducanu had remarked.